Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this, festival carnival sunset look. Like, it's real cute. I have impressed myself because I never did anything like this before. Like, I got halos and glitter and two different shadows in the lid. Like, it's real to it. I was like, oh, okay, we're being real fancy today. Okay, but yeah, like, I'm proud of myself for doing this. Okay, because this turned out so bomb. I'm trying to do it again with dark colors, but you know how stuff like that work out. You do it one time, you can never do it again. That's probably one of these incidents, but it's okay. Like, we got something, and yes, it's cute. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so you don't miss any of the stories that are coming up. And yeah, like, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next look. So for the transition color, as usual, I'm going to take yellow, and this is from the Zulu palette. And then I'm also going to take a Coastal Scents Hot Pot, and this is in the color, what is this? This is bright yellow, so I'm going to mix the two together, because the one from the Zulu is going to be like in the front, and then this one is going to be like towards the back. Now, and I already primed my lids with the Colourpop concealer in the color white. Okay, so I'm taking the yellow from the Zulu palette first, and just kind of packing it right here towards the front. And I am using a big fluffy brush from my brush set. Okay, and as I pack this in, I'm going to blend it a little bit. Okay, so next we're going into the Beige Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I am going to take the pink out of this palette, which is called Dippy, and it is a hot pink right there. Okay, and I'm just going to take this pink, and I'm going to pack it into the crease. Okay, so after I blended out the pink, I just went over it with the yellow brush to kind of get some more in the edges. Okay, and next is going to be purple, and this purple is another Coastal Scents Hot Pot, and this is in the shade Deep Grape. Just going to take this purple and kind of blend and pack at the same time. And I have a hard time, I don't know if it's just me probably doing something wrong, but I have a hard time making the color pop in my eyes, the color purple. So I always have to mix it in with a black for some reason, or just use it by itself with no other color. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, and I am going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow. to mix it in with this purple to make it a little bit, to make it deeper basically, okay? And I'm going back in with this pink brush to blend the purple. So I just went on ahead and cut my crease, and to do that, I used the Colourpop No Filter concealer in the color white. Okay, yeah. And we are doing a halo. So what I'm gonna do is take the purple that I put in my crease, and I'm gonna put it on the inside. Well, yeah, on the outer part and the inner part, and then you will see as we move on. Okay.
Without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need to show that you're crying. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be
Okay, so for the halo part, we are going to take this green and the Zulu palette. Okay, and just gonna pack this right in the center. So we're gonna take that pink from the BH Weekend Festival palette, and I want to blend it into the purple and into the green. And then for the crease and the halo, I'm going to take this glitter liner, and this glitter liner is from Amazon. Okay, so what I didn't do a wing, I just did a line across, and I popped on my sassy lashes from my line, and yeah, we're about to get to this under eye. Okay, so we're going black eyeliner as usual in the waterline, and this is the LA Girl Gel Glide eyeliner I always use. I'm gonna do the reverse method like I always do. So I'm gonna do purple, pink, and yellow for under the eye.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going
Okay, and for my inner corner, I'm just going to pop this champagne shimmer and a green eyeshadow on top like I usually do. I need to find like a really popping white highlighter to put in my inner corner because I like my green, but I want to kind of switch it up. Maybe I'm gonna try something one day. I'm gonna do the shimmer shadow and then put white shadow on top of it and see what it do. It probably would do the exact same thing. I'm gonna get straightened out now. Okay, so to highlight, I'm going to take the Beige Cosmetics Blacklight palette, and I'm taking On Point, which is that bright pink in the middle. And then for the center of my nose and my forehead, I'm going to take the Colourpop Luster Dust in Or More. It's like this, like a little peachy color.
without the reason they got someone to